Hey, so thanks for joining me. I'm going to show you quickly some of the features of Genie Rocket so you can get to know the platform and see if it's a good fit for you. So when you're logged in here, the first thing you'll notice is the dashboard. This is going to show you all the different sales opportunities you have in your pipeline, your current pipeline value, what your current conversion rate is to a lead or sale, as well as some other important charts and graphs that you can use as you run your business. This also has tasks. So if you have tasks assigned to you or a user, you can see tasks assigned. You can see all the different things coming up. If you've got a business attached here with your Google My Business, you'll see all the interactions and all the different things associated with that, as well as reviews. And it gives you just everything you need in one place in the dashboard. The next section over here is conversations. So this is where you can actually do email, SMS, Facebook Messenger if you're attached to Facebook, and even place outbound calls directly from the system. So if I'm in here with one of our contacts, I can come in here and just in one screen, send a quick email. I can put in my subject line, use the email, even choose a template if I already have a template set up, click send the email, and it will show up inline right here. Same with text. All I have to do is choose SMS, write a quick SMS message, and in one screen, I can see all of our SMS, all of our emails, and if I click this little phone icon right here, it will actually call that person. You can see this phone up here. It will dial them and start a phone call, and it will place the recorded message directly in line so you can have that here too and see all of your phone history. Next up, we have opportunities. This is where you can have your actual pipeline in here. You can have your drag and drop editor. So this will match your sales process. So this is a sample one. We have lead, interested, booked appointment, not interested, and sold. You can quickly drag and drop these cards that represents your leads or opportunities. It will automatically calculate at the top how many leads are in each column and the value of each of those leads. So you get a nice visual way to keep track of all of your revenue opportunities in one place. And in the future, you can actually automate these, meaning if someone does book an appointment with you within Genie Rocket, they'll automatically appear right here because we know they've booked an appointment. Next up, we have marketing. There's a lot in here, so I'll go through this kind of fast. The campaigns is where you can actually set up drip campaigns. So you can have a multi-step campaign that combines email, text, even ringless voicemail drop. So this means if a potential customer comes in and gives you their information through a form they fill, they'll automatically get an email, and then 2 days later they could get another email, then they could get a text, and this will happen automatically. And then we can choose this little trigger here that says stop on response that will automatically stop the campaign after they respond. This is one of our newer features for email marketing. We have beautiful new emails in here you can choose from, so you can send out gorgeous email marketing pieces to your current clients or to your prospects to either introduce a new service, highlight a product, or simply let them know what you have going on in your business. We have bulk requests in here. This is if you're trying to accomplish a lot of things at once. You can say update everyone's tags, update everyone's contacts. That's one of the many features in here. We won't go through that a whole lot right now. I want to give you some of the highlights. Trigger links. You can put any link inside of here to say if someone clicks on this website link, automatically add this tag to a person, etc. Your form builder. This is where you're going to build your contact form that goes either on your funnel or on your website. This is a very simple drag and drop editor. So you can see here, basic contact form. We can just drag and drop these fields over from the right to the left, build out a really nice contact form. When we have everything in here that we need complete, we hit Save Form. And then if we hit Integrate, this will give us an embed code to copy and paste directly on your website, or a direct link that you can share with people that will put it on the site when they fill out this form, and you'll get that information. Next, after Form Builder, we have Survey Builder. A survey builder is very much like a form builder, except this is going to be a step-by-step process. So if you've got lots of questions you want to ask a customer or a prospect, the survey builder is a great way to do that as you take them step by step, have them answer multiple questions. The SMS and email templates is going to be where you can actually create pre-recorded text and email templates you can then activate later in the conversation view. So if you wanted to say hello and then pull in their first name, just wanted to check in. And if I save this, then I can go back into conversations with our sample client Tessie here, go under SMS, say use template. And now I've got my hello template right in here. So I'm going to choose use template, send, And you can see it dynamically pulls in their first name as well as that message I wrote. So this is a great way if you want to have touch points with pre-written canned responses. Next up, we've got the HTML builder. So if you want to do a really custom HTML email, you can in here. That's actually replaced mostly by our new email builder, but if you want the old traditional HTML builder, we have that in here too. So that's everything in marketing. So far we've gone over the dashboard, the conversations, the opportunities, the marketing. Next up, we have reporting. So this can actually connect directly to your Google ads and your Facebook ads to give you all the data in real time in one spot. So we've got Google ads here, a sample, Facebook ads here, the sample. And so if you're running Google or Facebook ad campaigns, this is a great place where you can set everything up, view everything in one spot, all the ads you're running and the results they're producing. We also have the attribution report here. So as you're starting to get more contacts and leads in, this will give you all the data of where they're coming from and who's filling out your contact form. So you can see here, it's got all the pages visited, all the contacts. So as you start getting contacts in, it will show you where they came from. The call reporting feature is going to show you all your answered versus missed calls, your top sources, all of your call data in one spot. So if you have multiple team members making outbound calls, or you just want to review the health of all the calls that are being made, you can view that in this dashboard here. And of course, you can filter by different parameters like dates right here, different filter views, get all your call data in one place. Next up is the appointment report. So with this Genie Rocket tool, you're actually able to have this link directly to your calendar, and you can report on how many people have booked with you and all the different features with your appointments. And that brings us up to scheduling. So this will pull in your calendar, show you everything on your schedule. This is a list view of all your appointments. And you get to have all that in one spot. And I'll show you how we set up that calendar here in a second. Next up is reputation. This is where you can actually highlight your reviews and review requests. So if you have your location set up in here, it will pull in all your locations. You can actually manage your reviews and any conversations that you have on those reviews. Next up is your contacts. This is a really important piece. This is where all of your contact data will be held. You can see we have tags over here on the right, so everyone is sorted by a tag. I can click on any contact here. It opens that conversation view. I can do email, I can do text if I have their text here. Then I can also add tasks, add notes, select an appointment, all from one screen. You can also assign this to a user. So if you have multiple people in your organization, that's a quick way to get them all set up here. And then we've got, moving along to this next section, we have funnels and websites. This is where you can build beautiful sales funnels right inside of your system. The actual site that you're on right now for Genie Rocket is actually built on this tool. This is where you can create gorgeous sales funnels, and I'll open up this edit page. We have a drag and drop editor. So you can create really clear, simple pages just like this. And you can show you right here, so you can easily make changes, do updates, put in your own images, move things around, save it, and publish it. So then you can promote that from your email list, from paid ads, anywhere you're trying to collect new client information. Really easy to build funnels there. There's also a website builder too. So if you need a really simple but effective website, you can create a website in this tool. There's a membership platform in here. So if you have a membership database, you can actually house all of your products in here. So you can have videos, you can do courses, you can do free courses, you can do paid courses, but all inside of one system. You can have all of your courses. So going down the rest of this pretty quickly, we've got triggers. This is where you're going to have different trigger actions. So this is where you can say if someone fills out a contact form, then it's going to do these things on the right side. So on the left side is when a form is submitted and that form is basic contact form, it's going to automatically create an opportunity in the pipeline, and it's going to add this contact tag called web form lead, and it's going to send a notification email to these people, and it's going to put in this information. So this means anytime someone fills out that contact form, it's going to send a notification email, they're going to get a new tag, and they're going to be created as an opportunity in the system that we looked up here. Online listings, again, if you have your Google Places or Facebook connected here, it will pull in your local business listing where you can see all that information. This has a great chat widget. So if you've noticed on the bottom of our site, we've got a chat. So this is where you can put in your own image, have your own response, and pull people into an SMS chat directly into Genie Rocket where you can have conversations with them. So other than that, we've got this, our community tab. This is where every Tuesday we've got live Traffic Tuesday. Every Friday we've got live Funnel Friday. We actually teach you about how to grow your traffic and how to increase conversions. And then we've got a great affiliate program for people that want to help sell Genie Rocket. And of course, our Facebook down here if you want to connect to our Facebook community. Our academy is once you become a member with us, you get access to all the pre-recordings or past recordings and future for Funnel Fridays, Traffic Tuesdays, and immediate access to our onboarding where you learn how to set everything up for your business on Genie Rocket. We also have a build it for me section. So if you're working on something and you get stuck, we can actually build something for you. So if you need your own funnel, your own email sequence, your own pipeline setup, tell us what you want here. We get a quote back to you and we take care of it for you. So that is the quick and fast demo run through of Genie Rocket. This works great for any type of business. It is a full funnel and follow-up tool that can replace a lot of different tools and be perfect if you're an entrepreneur or a small business. This is a great place to plant your seeds and get started to grow. And we're going to give you a 14-day free trial so you can experiment with it. When you sign up for that 14 days, you're not only going to get immediate access to this, but you're also going to get immediate access to all of our onboarding videos and access to join us on Traffic Tuesdays and Funnel Fridays. I can't wait to see you in our group, and I hope you enjoy Genie Rocket.